Hello YouTube. Just felt like sharing something I've learned from my recent Mavic 2 Pro crash. I've made a huge mistake flying my drone beyond my line of sight and it crashed into a tree. DJI support checked my flight records and told me it's a pilot error, and I don't deny that. What's interesting is that when I asked if the sensors detected the obstacle, DJI replied with this statement, claiming that the omnidirectional sensing as advertised doesn't cover the 360-degree arc around the drone. This is really interesting as omnidirection, as explained in the dictionary, practically means all directions. They also cleared the air that DJI would not honor their warranty if the drone flies aileron left or right, even if it's in tripod mode or active track. These are the safest modes that uses all sensors while flying. Does that mean that the omnidirectional sensors are reliable or not? I'll leave it up to you guys to think about it. So please fly your DJI drone within your line of sight and never trust the sensors to prevent accidents. Do take this in consideration before buying the Mavic 2, expecting wonders. Cheers!